everyone, welcome to Hot Step Recipe. My dish today is so cute and easy but take a lot of time. I would like to show you how to cook some crispy wonton. Let's get started. Alright, first step, I got one corn. We're gonna cut it and you can check out all ingredients below this video. Then I cut cilantro stem. Usually we use its root but it's hard to find it, so we go with its stem. I got garlic and white peppercorn and then we're gonna pound them together. I use a mortar and pestle to release oil and aroma from the ingredients. After it's ground, place it into a bowl and leave it for later. Next, we're gonna prepare pork. I got pork belly without skin. It goes very well with crispy wontons. Cut into pieces too easy to blend it. Pork is classic ingredient to cook with wonton. I got some prawns, cut it to blend it. I'm gonna blend them, but separate pork and prawns. Pork is harder to blend than prawns. And then blended prawns. After we finish blended pork and prawns, we're gonna mixing to marinate. Put ground pork, put ground prawns, put sweet corn, and add garlic, stem cilantro, and peppercorn that we already pounded. We call 3 friends. Add some sugar, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then mix well by your hand. After mix well, wrap it and keep it in the refrigerator for an hour. Next, we're gonna prepare green onion. Cut into steps. Put them into a bowl and pour hot water in and leave it for 5 minutes. Or you can boiling them. After 5 minutes, take them out of the hot water. After an hour, our pork ready. We're gonna start to wrapping wonton. I got some on pork in a bowl. Keep the rest in the bowl and wrap it. Keep them from drying. Alright, time to have fun. Separate wonton. Then place a little pork on top of a wonton wrapper. Then gently rolling it. And then fold the end and gently squeeze it and flip it again. And do the same thing another side. Alright, here you are. After that, we're gonna tie both sides by green onion. Gently tie it. I'm gonna cut the end of green onion because it's too long. Alright, here you are. You got it. Sprinkle cornstarch onto a plate before place them on to keep them from sticking together. Next step, we're gonna fry them. Heat the wok on overload heat to cook the filling first. The wrapper quickly to get done, so do not use high heat because it will get burned. We're gonna cook on low heat about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, change to the high heat to cook the wrapper more crispy. It doesn't take too long. It depends on how crispy you wish. I take about 1 minute. Alright, look at them. Look lovely. So now we're done. We're gonna take them out. And then, time to taste it. Alright, after being through a lot, it's time to taste it. It took me about 2 hours to make this. I mean, just for lapping. It's so wrong, right? So, whatever, we got it. Oh, crispy but it's hot. So good. Crispy. You can eat with any kind of sauce you like. I don't like to eat with sauce because I think this okay for me. Alright, thank you for watching my video. If you like my dish, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!